Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Asking in Nationalian. For today's episode, we are going to ask a graduating student of the National University. Come and join us as we find our perfect interview. Hello guys, for today's episode, we have here an AB Communication student, which is Ate Margaret, and we are here to ask her a series of questions.
So for the first question, boys, why did you choose to study at NU aside that the fact that it is affordable?
Honestly, niyaya lang ako ng friend ko. And yung expectations, na-meet naman kasi I met new people then na really diverse and may natutunan ako sa mga tao dito and of course sa professors namin.
So, yung second question, boys, how does NU hone you to who you are now?
Siguro, big impact yung core values ng NU. Ayun, since tinuro din sa amin yun sa Nationalian course, yung pinaka nakaka-hone siguro talaga sa akin is yung integrity. Ayun, since AB-com ako, I hope na makapag-work sa media, so integrity is very important na ma-apply mo siya sa work. And hindi lang sa work, currently as a student, for example, di ba yung academic honesty na hindi tayo nag-cheat, nag-review tayo, so ayun.
And for the third question, boys, after stepping out of the portal of our university, how can you let the people that you are now a proud bulldog?
Siguro, by applying yung core values na natutunan ko, syempre parang, for example, pag nasa workplace na ako na, ay, galing sa inyo yan, may integrity yan, very magaling yan magtrabaho, magaling siya sa innovation sa work. So with that, magiging proud bulldog talaga ako.
Ate Margaret, in your current state, how do you define success po ba?
Success, personally kasi I'm a very competitive person sa academics and of course na din siguro sa ethics ko when I study. Madidefine kong success pag talagang na-achieve ko yung goals ko. For example, syempre dito sa ANU, TRISEM tayo. So, parang dapat this lister ako this term, ma-achieve ko yung gantong grade. So, for me, working efficiently, hindi nagka-cram, successful yun.
Another question po is, as a student po, Ate Margaret, paano po, in what way po ba kayo makakapagbigay po ng honor sa ating school, which is the National University?
Ang tawag dito, maging role model, hindi lang sa campus but also outside. Syempre, obvious na tagayan nyo tayo pag nasa labas kasi yung uniform natin. So, maging role model tayo sa outside na ipakita natin na ang isang nationalian ay, ka-respect.
And for our last question, what are your plans in the future after graduating?
Plan kong, after kong makagraduate, plan kong makapag-work sa media, specifically sa filmmaking. And after that, syempre, gusto kong may pakita na kung ano ba yung meron yung isang nationalian.
Thank you, Ate Margaret, for your insightful answers. And we hope for your future endeavors to be successful. Again, thank you po for participating in our short interview. Thank you po again.
With the response, I can say that National University have a big impact or a building block to become a successful person. It is a building where people can learn different skills as well as knowledge, just like our senior interviewee. I think she is now ready for its future job and to be one of the most successful person.
Listening to our senior Ate Margaret, I've realized three things. Firstly is bringing honor to our school by being a role model to others, not just inside our institution, but also outside the society. Secondly is that we all have our own definition of success, and in her case, she is successful by becoming a consistent Dean's Lister throughout her stay here at the National University. And lastly is the importance of applying one of the core values, integrity, because it is a vital characteristic of a true nationalian.